Here's a 2-second improvement I did. So we use this whiteboard. I use it to give pass downs between the shifts and things, and I post different information out here for the team to see. But one thing I did is I was handwriting everything on this board. Since then, I've made these colored arrows that are magnetized. So if a press is going to run on their shift, it'll be a green arrow that's up. If it's supposed to stay down on their shift, it's a red arrow that's down. If there's going to be a mode change on that press, I've got a set of tools and it'll tell what mode it's going to go to. And then another thing I use it for is I post information out here. So this is our downtime for last week in a Pareto chart. Here's our scrap for last week in a Pareto chart. There's just different information that they can come to this board before their shift to figure out what's going to go on in their shift and how things went last week.